automatic download to 0, and you guys know I just posted, but I just forgot what I did to watch my video, because like it's not even been 5 minutes, and not even been 1 minute, it's been like 30 seconds, and I'm posting again. Like I don't really want to show you guys. Like I saw like kids going here, and I really want to know if they got it. So yeah, and there's a car coming up, so I'm gonna go this way, guys. Sorry. This is super awkward. Having my iPad. If it was my phone, I was like, okay. Oh my, there's so many cars. If I see my classmate here, cause like they live like right near. Oh my god, that's my classmate. This is so embarrassing. You guys, let's just run, cause I want to hide my iPad. Okay, it's right over here. Come here. Okay, I might get told off because I'm posting. Let's see if the box is. Oh, it's still there, guys. That's good. So let's go back. My classmate might come to our aunties. So this will be